Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we get this asked all the time. Does a dehumidifier kill mold? Stay tuned. Okay, so I have been on many appointments, and the homeowner tells me, well, your competition says I don't have to address the mold problem because the dehumidifier is going to kill the mold. That is not a true statement. A dehumidifier controls humidity. Think about it like this. If dehumidifiers killed mold, why would we need mold disinfectants? They would be obsolete. We could just dehumidify everything and all the mold would die. Now, what some microbiologists say, and I've actually spoken to one here locally, is that a dehumidifier can possibly make the mold go dormant, but it depends on the kind of mold and how low you get the humidity and the wood moisture level that the mold is growing on. So imagine if you were dealing with cladosporium and it needed the humidity at 40% to go dormant, and penicillium needed the humidity at 55% to go dormant. I don't think they know what those percentages are. So the best thing to do is just to kill the mold. Lower the humidity, dry out the surface that the mold is growing on. If you can't afford or don't have the ability to soda blast it, spray it with the Anabec cleaner, get it disinfected, and then you can come in and wipe it off or use a vacuum cleaner or something like that to visibly get rid of the mold. So you always have to lower the humidity first, dry out the wood or whatever the mold's growing on, then apply the disinfectant. It has to be done in that order in order to kill mold. So that was a great question. We thank you for watching. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.